Hey y'all, it is still Thursday, the 19th of February 2026. And if you saw the one right before this, I took, when the pole had come down, I did not listen to my better sense. I did not take it down. And I went ahead and just fastened it over there on that against the house. I think you can probably see it. I just tied a rope to it. I'm going to get all the screws and everything out of that pole. And I will not be putting that back up. Like I said in the other video, I might take that post from out front. It's actually leaning up right over there. It's got cement on the bottom of it. I had pulled it out from another place that I had it. If you've seen my videos, if you've been following, you know how many times I move stuff around. Ooh, I'm feeling some raindrops all of a sudden. Well, I better go pick up my little, it's not very little actually, that trimmer thing I talked about in the last video. Wow. Yeah, the sky is, it's been cloudy all day. It's supposed to be 80 today. I don't know if it made it. It's been windy all day. Very, very, very windy. Like I said, it took the pole down on that side. That one just wasn't attached good enough. I didn't have a good flat spot to put it on into a post, so it's not like over here. Well, I guess I'm gonna just go in because it's like, you might see the raindrops on the car already starting. It's probably not gonna rain, just passing over, but I'm gonna go pick up my new toy off the deck, put it up. Thanks for watching again, and check out my other videos. Check out the description of this video. See y'all later. Say hi to me in the comments if you feel like it. Bye.